Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending December 15th, stocks had a great week as investors bought on the expectation and news on Wednesday of no interest rate hikes. Both the S&P and Nasdaq snapped a 3-week losing streak. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, increased slightly by 0.1% in November, 3.1% year over year. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, increased by 0.3%, 4% year over year. CPI is the measure of the prices consumers pay for goods and services. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, remained flat in November after declining 0.4% in October. Core PPI, excluding food and energy, increased 0.1% in November. PPI measures inflation on the wholesale level. The Fed left the Fed funds rate unchanged at 5.25% to 5.5% as expected. They also estimated that at the end of year 2024, the rate will be 4.6%. Retail sales increased 0.3% in November, suggesting that the consumer continues to spend as inflation trends lower. Import and export prices dropped for the second consecutive month. Business inventories declined slightly in October, and industrial production increased a less than expected 0.2% in November, while manufacturing output increased by 0.3%. Year to date, the Dow is up 12.6%. The S&P is up 22.9%, and the Nasdaq is up 41.5%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.9%. Oil closed at $71.40 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,017.63 an ounce, with silver closing at $23.83 an ounce. For this week of December 18th, Monday we'll get the Home Builder Confidence Index. Tuesday, housing starts and building permits will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get existing home sales data. Thursday, initial jobless claims, the third quarter GDP revision, and the leading economic indicators index will be reported. And on a very busy Friday, durable goods orders, personal income, personal spending, the PCE index, new home sales, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video or would like to schedule a complimentary review of your portfolio, please give us a call. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. A very Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday to all. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.